Good morning guys. So I know I was a bit funny about videos the other day, but I've been given a lot of support from you guys in the comments and stuff, people telling me that I should carry on. That noise is Liam, by the way, he's defrosting the car. But yeah, so you guys said that I should carry on, so I'm going to try carrying on for a bit and see what happens, see if any growth occurs. I am going to work on my Patreon and stuff as well. I might set up a particular fitness one. I'm going to set one up for the studio, so if anyone's interested in stuff like lighting setups, anything like that along those lines, I'm going to do stuff like that. So I have a lot planned. We're heading to the gym today, so today's video is actually going to be a full leg workout. Here's Liam.
Hello.
It's actually snowing. I'll show you guys the snow. Snow!
Snow.
It's not settling yet, but we did try and walk Ed, and Ed was getting pelted in the face by the snow, and we had to turn back, poor guy.
We're not wheel spinning yet, so we're alright. Yeah,
so we're only literally driving around the corner to the gym. We could have walked, but it's probably just as treacherous to walk as it is to drive at the minute. There's something really horrible about that situation when it snows, where you're like, I've got to walk everywhere because my car's redundant. But I remember last time it snowed and I was trying to like walk to the gym and stuff, I was still slipping over everywhere, so it's still pretty shit anyway, and you have to like walk everywhere in like yard or horse boots and then fucking change into normal people's shoes when you get anywhere to do anything. So I'll catch you guys in a little while. Thinking of doing voiceover bits for this, but mostly just kind of time-lapsing the workout. Why'd you give me a funny look then when I said?
No, I was listening to like noise in the back. I thought we'd like brought the little dog with us works.
No, we haven't. Yeah, they're doing okay. He's not been out. He's been in the garden for the snow, but as usual, he still won't piss or shit in the garden. So, like, training this dog is proving to be the biggest struggle right now. I don't think the weather's helping though, but we'll catch up with you guys probably at the end of this video. We're going to be doing a leg workout today. We started off by warming up on the ellipticals, and I did just do a section with the bar doing this squat, but I'm just going to be squatting 60 for today, just kind of working on depth. Make sure that you're getting nice and parallel. I did actually struggle with my shoes today. I wore some different training shoes and they were not giving me enough arch support, and you can see my right leg kind of collapsing in a little bit on some of the reps. So be careful what footwear you use when like training. It sounds so stupid, but it can make a massive difference whilst training. So I'm just working at this weight, doing about 12 reps per set, and then I think I did go up the weight, which you will see in a later clip. Now guys, we are doing some leg press work. I have 2 plates aside on here, and I'm just kind of working in that same rep range as before, about 12 reps. So guys, our next exercise is going to be stiff leg deadlift. So we are just using a barbell for this. You can use dumbbells, you can use an Olympic bar, whatever you like, but the idea is just a little bend in the legs and just to work out those hamstrings and glutes. Next up guys, we have some good mornings, and I'm sorry if you can hear the dogs eating in the background, it's lunchtime here. But yeah, so just getting a barbell, just pop it over onto your back or get someone to help you depending on the weight you're using. Or you can do this in a squat rack if you prefer. You're just going to bend forward, activate those glutes and the hamstrings again, and also the lower back. This is great for lower back. Now guys, we're just finishing up with our last exercise with some leg extensions on this machine. So that's it for our leg workout today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want some more sort of workout videos and stuff like that, do let me know in the comments and by liking this video. So guys, we're finished at the gym now, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little workout. It's really hard to film in the gym when you don't really do it very often. Also, I didn't take a tripod with me, so I had to just like prop the camera in places. But so I'm just going to do like a quick sort of like physique update for you guys so you kind of know what's going on, and then I'll leave it at that for today. So guys, it's really hard to show you because we don't have any mirrors in this house pretty much, but like, this is kind of how my legs are going. I'm starting to get a little bit of shape. So hard to get leg shape, you know. And then a bit of abs. This is how I'm looking. The butt. Still got a bit of back fat. I'll spare you my arms and stuff just because I've got all clothes on, so yeah. And I've got quite an intense sports bra on, so you guys won't be able to see very much anyway. So yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will see you all soon with another one. Hopefully we'll see how this goes, because if I'm not getting anything back from this, I don't know where to carry it on, but I'll see you all soon.